Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, a one stop solution for all your defense needs. So, friends, if you haven't subscribed our Telegram channel, do subscribe it at Defense Info 2020. And, friends, if you have any query related to defense or any or any information from the SSB, AFSB, or the NSB, do let us know on defenseinfo2020 at the rate gmail.com. And, friends, today I bring you the part 6 of the most important current affairs MCQ compilation series. And, friends, it is a continuation part and it will be going to helpful for your UPSC Combined Defense Service Examination 02 2021 as well as NDA NA 2021 written examination conducted by UPSC. And, friends, 20 questions are sure shot if you seriously religiously follow this particular series. And, friends, talking about the first question, that is 181 question, that India's Amit Khatri has won the silver medal in men's dash race walk at the World's Athletic Under 20 Championship. So he recently won on 10,000 meter. That is the option D is the correct answer. The next question is as follow, friends. The question number 182. The first Ayush University of Uttar Pradesh been constructed in the district of Gorakhpur. That is option A is the correct answer. The next question is as follow, friends. The question number 183, that is India has started with which operation to evacuate people from Afghanistan. As you know, friends, Devi Shakti has been launched where continuously our transport aircraft used to go and evacuate people from the Afghanistan, especially the Hindu, Sikh, all the the community of these Afghanistan. Now, friends, the option is the correct answer. The next question, that is 184, that is who is the author of the book Battlefield. So who written the book Battlefield? And the option A, that is Vishram Bedekar, is the correct answer for this particular question. The next question is as follow, friends, is that which has become the first Indian renewable company to get listed in the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is the what company? So, friends, talking about that, the options are as follows: the Power, Suzlon, Semcor, or the Renew Power. So the answer is option D, that is Renew Power for this particular question. The next question is as follow, friends. The question number 186, that is USAID and the US International Development Finance Corporation will provide $50 million loan to which bank for support of Indian women and small business borrower. So recently they will be providing loan to the Kotak Mahindra Bank. So the option B is the correct answer for this question. The next question is the question number 127, which company has introduced the Horizon Workshop app to allow the user to collaborate with colleagues using a virtual reality. So is it Google, Facebook, Amazon, or Microsoft? So recently this has been done by the option B, that is Facebook. They have developed this Horizon workroom. The next question is, friends, question number 188, that is which country has organized the International Military Technical Forum Army 2021. So Army 2021, this is this technical military forum has been launched by option number B, that is Russia. Russia has did this particular Army 2021. The next question is as follow, friends, in your screen. Who has been the author of the book Mission Domination and Unless Quest? So this has been done by Boria Majumdar or Kushan Sarkar. So both option are correct. That is option C. Both have co-jointly made this particular thing. Mission Domination and Unless Quest. Now, friends, the next question is as follow in your screen. That is question number 190. That Ministry of Jal Shakti has launched a 100 days campaign named what to create a open defecation free plus villages by undertaking the waste water management at village level. So this is Sujalam. ठीक है, Sujalam is the particular campaign. So option A is the correct answer. The next question is, friends, which one of the following is a fintech company has launched the 12% club app? So 12% club app has been launched by Bharat Pay. That is option C is the correct answer. The next question is, friends, question number 192, that according to Safe City Index 2021 released by Economics Intelligence Unit, that is which one of the world's safest city? So among which is the world's safest city? So is it Toronto, it is Copenhagen, it is Singapore, or is it Sydney? So Copenhagen is the correct answer, option B. The next question is question number 193, that is which district has topped the Niti Aayog's Northeastern Region District SDG Index report 2021 and 2022. So recently this has been like the district which top is the East Sikkim, as per the Niti Ayog North Eastern region. So option A is the correct answer. The next question is as follow, friends. The which state government has adopted the Indian wrestling till 2032 Olympics? So recently this has been done by the state of Uttar Pradesh, who has adopted the Indian style, the Indian wrestling till 2032 Olympic. So option D is the correct answer. The next question is, friends, the Life Insurance Corporation of India has launched the which mobile app for its agent? Life insurance company. Is it Khushi? Is it Anand? Is it Harsh? Or is it Anubhav? So Anand, option B is the correct answer. The next question is as follow, friends. The question number 196. Name the seventh offshore patrol vessel of Indian Coast Guard ship which has been commissioned by Raksha Mantri Shri Rajnath Singh in the Chennai. So this has been Vigraha Indian Coast Guard ship will be the seventh offshore patrol vessel. Along with that, friend, also comment down the all the six offshore vessel of the Indian Coast Guard previously that has been inducted. So option A is the correct answer for this question. The next question is as follow, friends. The which city of the Uttar Pradesh when we rename as Kush Bhavanpur? So Kush Bhavanpur. This particular name has been renamed for the place for the city is Sultanpur. That is option B. The next question is as follow in your screen, friends. The question number 198, that is, who is the author of the book Accelerating India's 7 Years of Modi Government? So Modi Government Accelerating India. This book has been written by the KJ Alphonse. That is option A is the correct answer. The next question is as follow. The question number 199, that is, which ministry has organized the Mera Watan Mera Chaman? So this Mushira in New Delhi is a part of Amrit Mahotsav. So this has been given by Ministry of Culture. That is Ministry of Minority Affairs. Ministry of Minority Affairs has recently given this particular thing. Okay, so next question is as follow. Question number 120, that is, first ever alcohol museum of India all about alcohol has been opened in with the state. So this is recently done in the state of Goa. So option A is the correct answer. And friends, the next question is as follow. Question number the first this has been repeated, friends. The next question is on your screen is as follow. So question number 201, I have changed this question. Which company has launched the Be Internet Awesome program for children in India? So is it Microsoft, is it Google, or is it Facebook, or is it Intel? So recently Be Internet Awesome has been launched by the Google. So option B is the correct answer. The next question is as follow in your screen, friends. Question number 202, that which company has bagged a contract worth rupees 1349.95 crore for the manufacturing of integrated anti-submarine warfare defense suit? And this is done recently, friends. Very important. That is a Mahindra Defense System who got this contract. And friends, option B is the correct answer. The next question is as follow in your screen. 202, that which state has launched the Mera Kaam Mera Bharat Maan Samman? So this has been done by Punjab government. Option C is the correct answer. The next question is in your screen. 204, which country will host the International Climate Summit 2020 to 2021 on 3rd September 2021? This is recently has been done, and this hosted by India. Option B is the correct answer. The next question is as follow. Question number 205, that is, Ministry of Textile and the National Institute of Fashion Technology have launched which survey to introduce a new standardized size chart for India? So is it Ind size, or Size India, or India size, or Size Survey? So option C is the correct answer, India size. The next question is as follow on your screen. Uttar Pradesh government is building the state first dash park in the sector 29 of Yamuna Express Highway Industrial Development Authority. So Yamuna Express Industrial Development Authority is building the handicraft state first national handicraft park and sector 29. That is option B is the correct answer. The next question, friends, the question number 207, that Frederick Overdijk of which country has become the first pacer ever to take 7 wickets in T20I match? That is South Africa, Netherlands, or Australia, or England. So the option B is the correct answer, Netherlands. So option B is the correct answer. The next question is as follow in your screen, friends. Which institution has developed the technology called Advanced Oxidation Technology for TADOX? Is it IIT Bombay, TERI New Delhi, or ISC Bangalore, or IIT Roorkee? So recently this is done by TERI New Delhi. So the next question is friends, the question number 29. 209, that is which ministry will celebrate the Poshan Ma across the nation throughout the September month? So is it Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, or Ministry of Women and Child Development, or Ministry of Commerce? So this is will be done by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Option C is the correct answer. The next question, question number 210, that Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana completed how many year of 28 August 2021? Is it 6, 5, 4, 7? So it has completed 7 years. That is option D is the correct answer. The next question, friends, in your screen, who has won the men's single title of the Chech International Table Tennis Tournament 2021? So this has been done won by the option A, that is G Satyan. So is the correct answer. The next question, friends, in your screen, the government has introduced a new registration mark for new vehicles under which series to facilitate the seamless transfer of vehicle. So this has recently been done, and this is Bharat series, and Bharat series that will be available for the defense personals as well as civil personnel, or people who have generally have has to post a different part of India, including some PSUs and also some private companies which generally send their employees to different states. Now friends, the option A is the correct answer. The next question in your screen, according to 2021 Global Manufacturing Risk Index, what will be the rank of India in the list of most attractive manufacturing hub globally? Third, fourth, second, fifth. So it will be the second rank has been achieved by India. The next question is as follow: 2214, that who has won the Barcelona Open Chess Tournament title 2021? So option which option is correct answer? Option C is the SP Sethu Raman has won this 2000. Now question number 215, that is the center has announced the drone rule 2021, which will reduce the yellow zone from 45 km to 12 km from the airport perimeter. That is option C is the correct answer. The next question is, 2016 India will buy AK-103 series of assault rifle from which country? See, AK-103 is the emergency purchase, and it will be generally for the Indian Air Force, and it will be around 70,000 in number. So this is done by through from the Russia Kalashnikov company. So option is the correct answer. Now to 217, that which state had launched the mission special mission called Mission Vatsalya in order to help the women to who lost their husband to COVID-19. So this is has been done by Maharashtra. Option B is the correct answer. The next question is to the 218, which state has set a record of milk production in the country, accounting of 17% of the India's total milk production, and that is done by the option C, Uttar Pradesh. And the this is the correct answer. The next question is the stadium in which the premises of Army Sports Institute in Pune to be named after which Olympian? So it will be named after Neeraj Chopra, who won the gold medal at Tokyo Olympic 2020. So option A is the correct answer. The next question 220, that is the which company has developed the AI enabled chat box, that is Urja. This is done by recently by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is BPCL. Option D is the correct answer. The next question 221, that is India's highest altitude herbal power is inaugurated in which district of Uttarakhand? So this is done by in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. The option C is the correct answer. The next question 222, that is Union government has launched which portal to facilitate geospatial planning of MG Mangrega assets, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, that is will be to produce the Yukt Dhara. This is the Yukt Dhara portal that has been launched. Now option B is the correct answer. The next question, which bank recently opened the floating ATM on Dal Lake, Srinagar? So State Bank of India has recently opened this ATM at Dal Lake. Dal Lake, you know, is also a freshwater lake located in Jammu and Kashmir. The next question is the which IIT institution has developed the India's first indigenous motorized wheelchair vehicle, that is New Bolt? So this is recently has been done by IIT Madras. Very important question that can come into your examination as well. The next question is friend 225, that which ministry has launched the Samrit program to support the startup ecosystem of in India? So this recently has been done by Ministry of Electronics as well as Information Technology. So MEIT ministry has been launched this. And the next question is NS Vishwanathan committee constituted by RBI has suggested dash tier of structure in the urban cooperative bank. So it will be 4 tier system, that is option B is the correct answer. 227 number question, that is who has who was the India's flag bearer in the Paralympics opening ceremony in Tokyo. So as you know, Tek Chand has been the flag bearer, and for the Olympics 2020 it was your Bajrang Punia. So next question is your the 228, that Ministry of Labor and Employment has launched which portal for creating the database of unorganized sector workers? So it is eSharam. So option A is the correct answer. The next question is, friends, which edition of Kaj Hind, that is a joint exercise of India Kazakhstan training exercise, was conducted from August 30 to September 11. So it was your fifth edition that is been conducted. That is the option C is the correct answer. The next question is, friends, a dedicated dolphin reserve is being planned in which wildlife sanctuary of Uttar Pradesh? So this is recently has been dedicated to Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary. That is option C is the correct answer. So if you friends, if you like this video, do share among your friends and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. And if you have any query related to defense, do let us know on defenseinfo2020@gmail.com and join our Telegram group for latest update and discussion. Till then friends, meet you very soon with the new part in the next video.